What's up, guys? So I'm going to the dealership at my 20,000, right? So that means time for an oil change, and I'm hoping they're gonna fix my windshield washer sprayer nozzle. We'll see. So I don't know what attempt this is, 3, maybe the 3rd attempt. So when I'm all done, I'll give you an update, see what's going on. I'll be back. All right, so I just got the update. It's about 2 hours later now. So what they do is they put in like a work order, like nationwide, to see if anyone else ever had this kind of issue, and then they reference that and they see if anyone had a solution for it, which makes sense. They tried fixing it a couple times, didn't work, so they're seeing if some other dealership had an issue and if they had a solution for it. After waiting 2 hours, well, I had my regular service update and oil change, that kind of stuff. They have concluded that there is a new version of the sprayer part. So there's an updated sprayer nozzle, and they're going to go ahead and order it. We'll see if that fixes the problem. So that will be for a future video. The saga continues. Now, do they really update the part? I don't know. To me, it buys some time, but ultimately, if there's no real solution, how many times can you just keep putting the same parts in? So I'm hoping that's a real thing, and they really did update it, and it'll fix the problem. Because it's really weird. I was talking with the tech, and the cowl, like, everything looks fine. The hood looks straight. There's no adjustment. This piece just literally clicks into a preset cutout in the hood. The cutout seems fine. Again, it's just not much they could do except for just put a new part in and hope it works. But after ordering, 2 different ones, 2 different occasions, now the system shows that there's an updated version. So we'll see. Anyway, that's it. I'll catch you next time. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.